Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to start Roth IRA Fidelity account. The first thing I want you to do is just come to the website, click here on open an account, and just choose Roth IRA. And if you are a Fidelity customer, say yes. If not, just say no, and then hit next right here. Just give them your details, right? Simple details, full name, social security number, things like that. Where you live, your address, and they'll ask you how you make a living. If you are employed, you need to choose employed. If you're not, you need to choose any of these. Okay. And then you proceed further, and then just take a moment, review and confirm your information that you have submitted. Okay. And then at the end, you need to come here and click on open an account. So this is just important documents and confirmation. You just go ahead and make sure you review these. And once you're happy with it, click on open account. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.